The Planet Explorers, A Journey to the Center by Sunshine Spark. Kids long ago, okay, not too long ago, on a sparkling blue planet called Earth, three curious kids named Zoya, Max, and Leo built a magical spaceship out of old cardboard, glitter, and imagination. But this was no ordinary spaceship. When they shouted the secret word, Galaxify, the cardboard ship turned real and roared to life. Their mission? To find out what's inside the planets of our solar system. First stop, Mercury. Looks like a burnt cookie, said Leo as they landed. Mercury was dry, cracked, and super hot. But when their ship drilled inside, they found a giant metal core, mostly iron. It was like the planet had a metal heart, glowing with leftover heat from long ago. No water, no air, but tons of metal, said Zoya. Next, Venus. Thick clouds swirled around them as they reached Venus. Max wiped fog from the window. Why is this planet sweating? Inside Venus, they found layers of hot rock and a huge iron core, just like Earth, but it was like a steamy pressure cooker. It's like Earth's angry twin, Zoya giggled, fanning herself. Third stop, Earth. They didn't travel far for this one, they simply dove underground. Earth is like a big layered cake, Leo shouted as they zipped through the crust, mantle, and into the outer core, a sea of melted metal that moved like soup. Deeper still was the inner core, a solid metal ball as hot as the sun. Earth has a fireball inside? Max gasped. No wonder we have volcanoes, said Zoya. Mars. Mars looked dusty and quiet. Anyone home? Max asked. Inside, they found that Mars had a cold core, not as hot as Earth's. Mars' insides are sleepy, Leo said. Maybe that's why it doesn't have volcanoes that work anymore. But it's still a great place to explore, Zoya added. Jupiter. Whoa, it's not solid, Max gasped as they floated near the giant gas planet. Inside Jupiter, they dove through clouds of gas and liquid hydrogen until they reached a mystery core. Some scientists say it's rock, others think it's slushy gas and ice. It's like a planet milkshake, Leo laughed. To Saturn. Saturn had glittery rings and a soft, puffy body. Inside was gas, gas, and more gas, until once again they reached a small, rocky core. It's like a jelly donut with a rocky center, said Zoya. Uranus and Neptune. The kids bundled up as they flew into these icy giants. Inside both planets were layers of icy water, ammonia, and methane like frozen slush, and probably a rocky core deep down. Icy planets with hot hearts? That's wild, Max exclaimed. Back home. The kids returned to Earth just in time for dinner. Their spaceship turned back into cardboard, but the adventure lived on in their hearts. Planets may look different outside, said Zoya, but inside they all have amazing secrets. Some are hot, some are cold, some are made of rock, and some of gas, Leo added. Let's keep exploring, Max smiled. Who knows what we'll discover next? The end. Subscribe to Sunshine Spark Kids for more fun space adventures. Like, share, and comment below. Which planet would you explore inside?